we must shut down Lagos. If not 1 month, 2 weeks, if not 2 weeks, 1 week. If not 1 week, 3 days.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
Yes. 1 week, 2 weeks.
Yes, what to accord. No going back.
Christmas. And they try and Lagos are busy. Go to lab, shop, union are busy. Over the and not the China. We will stop this. This will stop.
Period.
Yes, sir. Securities. Oh, I invite. I was securities. Namambra. IPOB. We will invite them.
Period. Hey.
That is part of what we can be doing for them. We secure them jobs. Some of IPOBs have not. They have no jobs. Those IPOBs, we all of them, we protect all our shops, and we have to pay them. We have to mobilize for that. We have to do that. We must have our own security, so that they will stop attacking us in the midnight, in the morning, in the afternoon. They will stop attacking us in emergency. Yes. When they discover that we have our own securities, before they will come to take time, they will know that we have our own men there. I'm not saying a single word to be hiding. I don't hide my words. Let my words go viral. And part of this thing that Igbo must get their right and get stand in Lagos State. Igbo, we are not troublemakers. We don't fight them. We never fight Yoruba. Those two people that are Yorubas. When we decided to vote where you want to vote. You cannot force someone to vote where you don't want to vote. You cannot force yourself to be a leader. When you want to be a leader, the communities, the entire town, the entire state will bring you out and say, come and lead us. When you are forcing yourself to lead, that is you have a step in your cupboard. So,
good.
A party to collect money anytime from anybody.
What to accord?
A party to become one Nigeria and let Igbo come to stay in Lagos. Any part of Nigeria, Igbo must be there. Yes. He said.
What to accord?
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.